at 11, a Wisconsin appeals court judge who was an outspoken supporter of abortion rights in the state legislature is now running for the Wisconsin Supreme Court. Chris Taylor is the first liberal candidate to enter the 2026 race. The election next year won't be for control of the court because liberals will hold the majority until at least 2028. The past two Wisconsin Supreme Court elections were won by liberal candidates and broke spending records.